guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing this really quick and easy, I don't know what I'm going to title it, maybe like a Zoom call makeup tutorial. Just something that is going to give you a little bit of definition. It's very fast, very easy, and I think all of these products are on sale. So if you're shopping the Sephora VIB spring sale, then you can grab some of these products on sale. And I did use a lot of them in my last, in that collab video. Thanks so much for all your support on that. So, been talking for long enough. Let's hop into this makeup tutorial. Okay, really quick makeup. Like no primer, nothing. I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder foundation. I'm loving it. It is SPF 45. I'm in shade Ivory Beige. I'll have everything linked down below. I wish you guys could see my feet. So I know there's like creepers that get on the internet for their feet, or for people's feet. So I got a new mower today because Jeff is allergic to bees. So I do like the yard work, which he helps of course, but it's so funny because I'm so used to like a 0-turn mower. I haven't done a push mower before. I'm like having to empty the bag every 5 minutes. Like I'll go down one and then up one and then having to empty the bag. So I thought that was just so funny. So I use about 2 pumps. I'm not self-tanned right now. I've just like been in the sun, but if you're self-tan and you're my shade, this is a great, I might need one more pump. This is a great, and it comes in a tube with a pump. So it's very liquidy. You can see, very liquidy and really pretty. My foundations have to look like skin. So this one does. I'm hoping I don't even have to edit this video and I can just get it up because I'm actually getting ready for a work call. So I figured I would film my work call and then, or get on my work call, which is a conference call, and then film my work video. And then I can film my Sephora recommendations video. So I got a new shade of the Born This Way concealer, and I got the shade Vanilla. We'll see if this is too light. Huh. It's a little yellow, but that's okay. It's better than the Snow shade. I will link all this down below. So if you are Rouge, you get 20% off. And all these products will be 20% off. And that is awesome. It's my favorite time of year when we get this sale, which I probably already posted. I have some breakouts, but that's okay. So I think that color looks good. It's just a little yellow, but that's okay. So now I'm going to take the translucent powder from Laura Mercier and just set that concealer. Really pretty. I don't have like all my lights and everything on, so we're just rolling with it. And then one of my favorite bronzers is the Hourglass bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. That is what that looks like. Really, really pretty bronzer. I always get a mini if there's a mini trying a new product so I can try it before you buy it, right? Which you're still buying it, but you're not spending as much money in the beginning because I hate returning stuff. So I already placed my order for the Sephora sale and I cannot wait to show you guys what I bought because I got some really good things. Probably things that like you're not expecting me to get. So you'll have to be sure you're subscribed. Look how pretty that bronzer is. It looks so natural. That's why I love it. You'll have to be sure you're subscribed to my channel. It's free to be notified when I post new videos. So, gorgeous, gorgeous bronzer, gorgeous bronzer. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just go down the sides of my nose. And under the lip. Now we'll do a little blush. I'm gonna use Seychelles by Buxom. Love this blush so much. It's so pretty and natural, perfect for every day. If you just want a little something, just a little bit of pink, it's gorgeous. And then I'll pop the Buxom Mykonos right on the apples of the cheek. It's more of that peachy. These are very pigmented, so use a light hand. And then I will go back with my bronzer brush always and soften those edges. Like that. Really, really pretty. This t-shirt, I was mowing in this t-shirt, so you'll have to forgive me for not being cute, dressed up. You know, let's do brows. I'm gonna do, this brow pencil is a dupe for my MAC brow pencil in Lingering, which I love it because it's like half the price. It's the Sephora retractable brow pencil. It is waterproof and I'm in the shade Midnight Brown. So it does come with a spoolie on the other end. I know a lot of people say it's a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz, but I never liked the Brow Wiz to begin with. I got it years ago and gave it away. So matches my brows perfect. Brows are on, and we'll do a little bit of this brow mascara from Sephora collection. I've been loving this brow gel. It's so good. It doesn't leave your brows feeling crunchy, and it's tinted, so this is really all you need if you don't want to fill in your brows. I'm going to put some lips on. This is, actually, let me go grab my Charlotte Tilbury. Hang on just one second. Okay, so this kit is available again at Sephora. It's the Pillow Talk collection. Really pretty pink. So this is Charlotte Tilbury. So that is Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. So you get these, and that is in reference to my hand. So you can see it's a good size. Her lip cheat. It's essentially her, it comes in a set. I think you get it for like $30, and you get, I think this is a full-size lipstick. And then that is her lipstick in Pillow Talk, which is really, really pretty. But what makes it even more gorgeous is this Buxom gloss, my favorite in Samantha. It's a really pretty, like, peachy pink. So that is the lip combo, and I just love it. I am going to pop in a little bit of eyeshadow. This is my Tartelette in Bloom. This palette is on sale too. 20, 15, or 10%, whichever tier you are. So let's do Flower Child in on the lid. And then Smarty Pants, kind of like on the lid and in the crease together. This does have some fallout, so just be sure you knock your brush off. I hope this natural lighting's okay. I don't have all those fun filters that all the young girls have. And then smudger brush underneath. Like that, and then I'll line with Activist. And then I'm gonna take my finger into Funny Girl and just pop that on the lid. Okay, and now I'm gonna put on some lashes. I'm going to use my favorite Ardell Wispies. I do not buy expensive lashes because no telling by the time I take these off at the end of the day where they're gonna be. So I'm not spending more than $5 on a pair of, I mean, maybe if you guys wanted me to try them, but there's just no way I'm gonna spend a lot of money on eyelashes. I've never been one to get expensive eyelashes. I think they're beautiful, but ain't nobody got time to spend $25, $30 on an eyelash. Okay. Put a little bit of this YSL lipstick, Perfect Spring Color. I think I share this every year. It is shade 11. I'll have it linked down below. It smells so good, but I want a little bit more pink for spring, right? How fun my bracelets are. I bought these from a girl on Instagram. They're so pretty. I say a girl, she's a woman. She makes the most beautiful bracelets and jewelry. I'm not a huge jewelry person, but when I see something that I like, I definitely get it. I think it was $65 for 3, so that's not bad for 3 bracelets. I really hope this lighting's okay. I can hear Tucker behind me. Oh. There's that. I've got to hurry. My meeting is starting in like 10 minutes. Okay. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. Just a little mascara and we'll be good to go. So I've been talking for 20 minutes. That is it. I feel like I'm leaving something out, but you guys, these roots, give me a big thumbs up for getting on here with these quarantine roots. So that is the makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Really quick. If I wasn't talking, I could do this makeup in 10 minutes and you feel put together, you feel good enough to like do a Zoom call or whatever, and most of it, if not all of it, is on sale. So give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you stick around. I'm going to be posting a lot of fashion videos for spring and summer. So be sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Arielle Snyder. I post there daily updates. Until then, have a great day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.